Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here today with some awesome shoulder stretches. And this is great for absolutely anyone, everyone, no matter who you are, what age, what you do. This is super, super important. So let's get into it. Starting with our first exercise, we have cross body arm swings. All right, starting 30 seconds on the clock. All right, out to the side, cross, out to the side, and then switch arms, all right? So you're gonna be doing this in a nice fluid motion, a continuous motion, and this is a dynamic stretch, all right? Great for warming up. A static stretch is when you hold something, when you hold onto it. But this is stretching through movement, all right? Very, very good to start with. Breathing and making sure that you're not opening up your rib cage, all right? So when we swing open like this, we're not going like this, all right? You close that rib cage, tuck in that butt, tuck in that tummy, and just focus on your arms and your shoulders, all right? Very good. This is also a nice chest stretch, all right? Chest and shoulders, which kind of go hand in hand, all right? So 3, 2, 1, and come down, shake it out. Now we are doing similar, but up and down, all right? 30 seconds on the clock. One comes up, one goes down, and then switch, all right? Keeping that same cue from before in mind, not opening up your rib cage. We're not going like this, all right? Boom, tuck it in, all right? You just wanna keep a nice straight spine and stretch those shoulders. Ooh, this should feel really good. This is great to warm up in the morning, to do before you go to bed, so you have a good night's sleep. If you're at the office, you know, hunched over a computer or your phone, this is really great to stretch out those shoulders. And 3, 2, 1, and come down, shake it out, very good. So we just did 2 dynamic stretches. Now we're going for a static stretch, a tricep stretch, all right? 30 seconds on the clock, all right? So hand goes on the side, over, bend, and then your hand comes over to your elbow, and you're gonna slightly press your elbow in, all right? Deepening your hand. So your hand may have started here, and then it goes down a little bit more, all right? Now, the name of this is tricep stretch, but it also does wonders for your shoulders, all right? Breathing, very good. Try to keep your chin up. It may even deepen your stretch a little bit, but remember not to open your rib cage, right? Boom, just lift your chin up, using your head to push on your arm. And 3, 2, 1, gently release, and then come over and switch. So this one comes here, bend, over, elbow, and pull, gently pull. Very good. Tuck in that tummy, tuck in that butt. Your entire body is activated, even though we're just focusing on our arms right now. You have a nice strong stance, all right? A little bend in the knee. We don't want to lock those knees, all right? Nice little bend. Make sure blood is flowing through the entire body. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, gently release. And there we have it. That was number 3. Moving on to number 4 is a standing lat stretch. So you can do this either on a chair, on the wall, on your countertop, on your couch, on your bed, all right? Whatever is around you, go ahead. And on a wall, you would do it like this, all right? It's a little bit less of a deeper stretch. If you want a deeper stretch, we're coming down here. So 30 seconds on the clock. All right, you're gonna put your hands on your surface, walk back, come into a nice straight back, and then sink in. Oof. All right, coming as low as you comfortably can while still feeling the stretch, all right? Breathing, very good. Tuck in your chin, all right? Don't have your chin up like this or to the side. Tuck it in to your chest to create a nice straight spine, elongating your spine, very good. You can rock side to side a little bit, very gently, if that feels good. And 3, 2, 1, coming up gently. Ooh, that one's my favorite, wow. And there we have it. These are my stretches, my awesome shoulder stretches. We're gonna take a second, grab some water, regroup, and then do it again. Cross body arm swings. 30 seconds, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good, center, shake it out, and up and down swings. And 3, 2, 1, very good, shake it out. Tricep stretch one side, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, release, other side. And 3, 2, 1, release, very good, shake it out. Last but not least, our standing lat stretch, go ahead. 30 seconds, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, walking up, coming out, gently roll those shoulders back. Whew, and there we have it. Great job. We're not done yet. We have one more round. Grab your water, take a second, and then we're gonna do it again. And 3, 2, 1, very good, center, shake it out, and up and down swings. And 3, 2, 1, very good, shake it out. Tricep stretch one side, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, release, other side. And 3, 2, 1, release. Very good. Shake it out. Last but not least, our standing lat stretch. Go ahead. 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, walking up, coming out, gently roll those shoulders back. Alrighty, my beautiful people, that was it. My awesome shoulder stretches for pain relief, for stronger shoulders, for better sleep, all that good stuff. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell if you haven't. That lets you know when we post so you don't miss out on our awesome recipes, our challenges, our workouts, everything. I hope to see you on the next one. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.